Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link digital assets to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first step is to launch the app from your home screen or app drawer. Then you have to look for the add button, which is usually at the bottom or top right corner. And the next thing you're going to do is to choose the option for crypto, NFTs or digital passes. You actually see it under digital assets. So once you select digital assets, you see the options for crypto, NFTs or digital passes. It varies by asset type. The next thing you're going to do is pick your wallet or exchange. For example, MetaMask, Binance or Samsung blockchain wallet. And once you've chosen that, you have to sign into your third-party wallet or exchange, authorize Samsung wallet access to log in and approve connection. Next thing you're going to do is sync the assets. You see your linked assets, that is crypto, tickets or NFTs, will now appear in Samsung wallet. It's as simple as that. So ensure your Samsung wallet and third-party apps are updated for full compatibility. This is verified for accuracy. It matches Samsung Wallet's latest UI, which is One UI 7.0, and it supports major providers like MetaMask, Ledger, and Binance. It works globally where Samsung Wallet is available. Hope you found this video helpful.